What is up? It's your boy Aing, bringing you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, foggy lens. So look, listen, today we got an exciting one. Today we got an informative one because the last video I made was how to use or how to engage your 4x4, but today we're going to be talking about 3 things you want to avoid at all costs when you're using your 4x4 truck. Now, there is my 4x4 truck in all her glory, the Voodoo Blue SR5. Beautiful, beautiful truck that is fully equipped with the Toyota 4x4 system. Now, we get that, we understand. Aing, what are you talking about here, buddy? Okay, get to the point is what you're saying. Now, I will get to the point after I stop blabbering. Today, we're talking about 3 things, that's 5, 3 things that I recommend you not do if you have a 4x4 pickup truck. Now, this isn't just Toyotas, this is all 4x4 truck. Now, this is coming from experience. Also, I used to work for Toyota, so I know my shiz kind of, sort of, not really. But let's start off with the number one thing. The number one thing that people don't understand, I saw this every time I was selling a vehicle with the 4x4 system. We would literally go to a parking lot and he'd be like, all right, man, let me check the vehicle out, bro. I'm like, all right, cool, no problem. Just, you know, do whatever you like. I just thought that if they were coming for a Tacoma, they already knew. Do not use your 4x4 system in a parking lot and try to do circles. You will absolutely ruin the tires, make the truck bounce and skip, and I think it's pretty bad for the differentials as well. Now, a lot of people don't know this. Me, when I first started working for Toyota, I had absolutely no idea. Number one thing, do not drive your Tacoma on drive payment with 4x4, first off. Second, do not drive it in circles with 4x4 on. The reason is very technical. All right, now I'm not a very technical person. I like to dumb it down as much as I can. If you're turning left, right, this tire is going to turn more than that one, but you're sending just as much power to that one, so it's going to start to skip, turn more than it needs to. It's a whole bunch of mess. Number 2, the number 2 thing is another thing that newbies don't really understand. Let's say you're off-roading, you're having fun, you're enjoying yourself, bada boom, bada bing, one thing turns into another, and well, you end up in some mud. Now, this is coming from experience, okay? Embarrassing experience, heartbreaking experience. Let's pick up where we left off. You're in the mud, you're enjoying yourself, and well, you lose traction there, and on both other sides. Now, you're still in two-wheel drive at this point because you thought the trail was pretty easy. Ha! You're mistaken. You put yourself into 4x4, you have someone spotting you, they're telling you to go left, they tell you to go right, they tell you to dodge. And then, all of a sudden, they tell you to floor it. Do not floor it, because what you'll do there is you'll start to spin all 4 of these tires and get yourself extremely stuck. If you have these tires, you're slipping on wet grass. You're going nowhere. If you're really stuck and you're worried, just pop that bad boy into 4 low and crawl out of there. Do not put this into 4 high and try to send it with the beans. I mean, maybe it'll work. If your recovery car is a Corolla, you're kind of screwed, all right? So pop this boy into 4 low, get out of the mud nice and easy, nice and easy. And the third thing that you do not want to do is ignore it. I sold this truck a couple times. I would sell it, the people would love it. They'd be like, oh, it's the best truck I've ever gotten. Oh my God, it's so amazing. It's so perfect. They'll buy it and it come back like a year and a half later and talk about how the 4x4 is having some trouble. Now, from my understanding, most of the Toyota techs would just tell me, yeah, they didn't use it, they didn't turn it on. Some people would come in with like 60, 70, 80,000 miles. So they really put some abuse on their truck, didn't turn it on at all. My recommendation is if you can, turn this bad boy on at least once a month, all right? Put that thing on to 4x4. Maybe if it's raining out, you can use it on a short stretch of road, or if you have a gravel road, you could also do that, or just find a muddy back road and have some fun. Again, these vehicles are, I guess, either a daily driver or a work vehicle. They can also be an entertainment activity thing, I guess you could say. I am nothing but a noob myself. So, the experienced 4x4 King Professionals. Yeah, King Professionals. Let me know down below what I'm missing. What should a newbie know about their 4x4 truck? What should they not do? What is the one thing they should absolutely avoid? I think I went over 3 very important parts. 3 things that if you do will keep you from visiting a Toyota dealership very upset. With that being said, it's been your boy. I'm out of like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace. All right, let's grab the keys. I'm always scared when I put my keys here that I'm about to just rip it, but as of now, we're chilling, we're absolutely good.